Hi, I'm John, and this is WordPress 5 in less than 5 minutes. Okay, so you've got a website which is built on WordPress. This is a regular WordPress website. This is classic WordPress. Logo, menu, header, image, featured image, and text and images. So if I went to edit page and went into the page, this is classic WordPress. If yours does not look like this, it's probably because you have page builders on it or some other additional thing. This is classic WordPress, what it looks like, vanilla out of the box, very fast, very easy to use. There's text, page header, page title. We go down, we can add a subtitle, there's a heading. I can just whack an image in there. If I go to add media and pick an image at random and go insert into page, it inserts the image into the page, and I click update and go to the page itself, where I click on there and that goes to the page. Bang, there is a new image added to my page. That is a slideshow that is on a carousel, which is a separate plugin, but don't worry about that. There, basic images and pages. That is classic WordPress. Text, images, align images, boom. Okay, so I'm going to go to plugins, and on my plugins I am going to deactivate classic editor. You might be getting emails at the minute going, update your website, update your WordPress website to WordPress 5, do it now because this is the way the world works. You might get that, you might not. This is the same homepage on the same site. There's the logo, there's the everything is the same as it was, but if I go into edit page now, it looks different. This is the WordPress 5 interface, and WordPress 5 is built on a thing called the block system. Some other providers have the block system, like Wix and Squarespace have been doing that for years. WordPress have introduced their own block-based system, which is, I think, better and more powerful and more intuitive to use. Again, if you are looking at this and going, my WordPress website does not look like that, you probably have page builders on it which slow the site down and interfere with your search engine optimization. This is a classic block. So there is your page text and everything as it was before, and here are columns. You can set up columns. So I am now going to just create a new page. So leave this page, create a brand new page using the block system. This is what you get out of the box. This bit at the bottom is my search engine optimization. Yoast works with WordPress 5, which is very helpful. Add title. So I add a title. Start writing. I can just add some text. Copy, add text in there. Start writing. Boom. And it's created a block. So this is a paragraph block. If I go underneath it, then there's the title block, there's that block, and I want to add a new block. Here is where I can add a new block, a paragraph or an image or some columns or a cover image. If I go further down, inline elements, inline image, common blocks, formatting blocks, widgets and embeds. So let's say I wanted to add a cover image. Here is the cover. It's appeared below that block as a new block. I have some options. Add an image, add another, add some columns. I'm going to add this cover image into the media library. I'm going to pick an image. I'm just going to pick that image. There it is. Write a title for that image. See, it sits in the center. Title for this image, which is good for a featured product or something like that. So that is a block. Now, that if I click on this block, I now have some options that appear in the top left hand side. I can move this block up above the text, so the text is now below it, or I can move this block down. I can align it, the text to the left or the right. The image also has its own formatting. I'm just going to publish this. Click on the publish button, publish immediately, and make it public. There it is, view page. This is running quite fast. This is out of the box fast. This is not with loads of plugins on it. Your website should be fast, and this video isn't speeded up. This is just the speed of the page that it is. I need a featured image because the featured image sits in the top. This is a theme that is based on one of the out-of-the-box themes. Again, it should be this fast and it should be this simple to update and maintain your website. If I had sidebar content, it would go in there. What else can I add? Edit. I'll go to the bottom one, and that's WordPress 5.